Good evening, and welcome to the latest edition of the Birch Brewmasters Presents. I am your host, Milos Stravinsky. They combine their love for coffee, their love for film, and their true love for simply seeing themselves on television to bring to you this genre brewing masterpiece. Please enjoy.
Chemex. When I think of the Chemex, I think of a modern brewer. Glass, wood collar, twiny thing around the wood collar, kettles, boiling water. You know, the Chemex is a ritual in my house these days. Every morning I wake up and the first thing that I do is grab my coffee and Chemex and make my wife a delicious... What is that? What is that noise? Tess, what's that noise? We're rolling.
Oh. All right. I'll go sit in the truck.
Sorry. Can I have my line, please? Someone?
Do we know what line we're on? Can we just cut? Let's just cut.
Chemex is my favorite brewing method because the thickness of the filter paper really allows it to pull all the non-essential chemicals out of the coffee, creating a much cleaner cup as soon as it hits the cup and you serve it to the customer. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming to meet me. You weren't followed, were you?
No.
This is a little hard for me to talk about sometimes. It was a really dark period of my life. And I remember it like it was yesterday. I woke up and I made that Chemex. And that was it. I was hitting that glass. I was hitting that glass like 10 or 20 times a day. You think this is funny?
No.
That's it. Turn the camera off.
All right. So we're going to weigh out our coffee now. So on your scale, just tear it to 0. And for today's exercise, we're going to use 4 tablespoons of ground coffee, or 28 grams. Okay? Making sure that the tablespoons are level, and then shaking the coffee gently back and forth to create a level surface for you to begin adding your water, okay? So the first stage of the brewing is called the bloom. And so what we're going to do...
What's a bloom?
I was just explaining that. So the bloom is when we first introduce water to the ground coffee. The gases release and bubbles form, and the coffee opens up, very much like how a flower opens up. The first introduction of water is going to be 60 grams. And we just slowly introduce the 60 grams of water. You'll notice a really nice aroma coming off the coffee at this stage, right? So it's usually kind of fun to kind of just admire what you're brewing. So take the time and enjoy it. Once the bubbles stop forming, the coffee's then degassed, right? And then you can introduce the next stage of water. So we're gonna introduce another 100 grams, and we're gonna pour in small circular motions, saturating the entire coffee bed. All right? Introduce another 100 grams. Same motions, making sure that we're creating a bit of turbulence, and allow that to slowly and steadily move. We have 2 more stages like this.
Cut! Wait, am I allowed to say that?
Okay. The final pour, we're gonna make in pulses. So the last 100 grams are small, steady pulses like this. And that's it. I mean, you have now brewed a Chemex. So what you do next is you remove the used filter, and remember that it's very hot water that's still in here, so a vessel or something underneath it so that you can discard it in a very safe method. Now, one thing I'll tell you about the Chemex, I believe, my experience has been that it is a solid brewing method. I can't think of what happened to the Chemex.
What?
The coffee I just brewed in the Chemex.
Guys, where's the coffee? Guys, guys, where's the coffee?
Hey, guys, he was right. Way better than my usual coffee. You should call it the bloom. Don't just say it's like a bloom. Call it the bloom, because that is exactly how it's just, whoof, it blooms. Nice job, really. Oh, that is amazing. Whoa.
That was the impact that the Chemex had on the industry, man.
That was amazing.
Good. I had to move it, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Paul.
We really hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, we'd love it if you'd sign up to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below. Also, you can follow us on Instagram @Birch Coffee for the latest info and tons of giveaways.
Also, if you love coffee as much as we do, then we strongly encourage you to head over to birchcoffee.com/BCC and sign up for our coffee subscription. That way, you'll never run out of coffee again.
Thanks for watching.